Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach. Here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journey with you. In today's video, we'll be having a look at my dividends. How much have I received this month? Which shares I've been buying extra of? And I've got a special bonus at the end, an easy way you can track your dividends. So let's have a look at the dividends that I've received this month. So on the 21st of October, I received Stag Industrial, Pembina, Main Street Capital, on the 20th Realty Income, 13th Altria Group, and on the 2nd of October LTC. So this is a really big month for me compared to the previous two. So let's have a look at the spreadsheet. So having a look at my spreadsheet, you will see this month I've received £3.74. I know it's still not a lot, but if you have a look, the first month I only received 81p, September £1.03, and on my third month I'm already receiving £3.74, which is a great rate of growth in my opinion for my portfolio. Now I've also added the months on the side so that you can see which month these companies pay dividends in. Now if we go have a look at the monthly breakdown, you can see here is where I started my portfolio and how much I've invested each single month over the last few months. And this month I have invested £170 in my monthly dividend stocks. And at the moment I'm owning 1 share of Realty Income, 6 of LTC, 2 of Stag Industrial, 7 of Main Street Capital, and 10 of Pembina. Now these are the dates roundabout where they do pay out. And here you can see all the amount of money I've made over the last few months. And this is how much each stock paid me for the month of October. So if we go to the quarterly paying dividend stock, so here you can see how much I've invested for August and September. And for the month of October, I've invested some in the beginning of October. And I've also invested some on Monday. So if we have a look at the total, that's a total of £274.98 for the month of October that I've invested in my quarterly stocks. And this is the first month my dividends are paying out for the quarterly stock. If you have a look at how many shares I bought over the last couple of months, my dividends would really start growing from next month because those shares will all start paying out their dividends. If you're getting value so far, please hit that like button so it turns blue and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Now the first stock I bought more shares in this month is ExxonMobile. Now this is in the energy sector. Now if we have a look at Seeking Alpha, you will see this is ticker symbol XOM for ExxonMobile Corporation. Now having a quick look at the dividends, you will see it's a 10.60% yield at the moment with a dividend growth of 38. Now I'll leave a link on top where I go into more detail about this company if you are interested in more information about this company and the shares. Now the next company I bought more shares in this month is AT&T. Now this company is in the communication sector. So let's have a look at Seeking Alpha. You will see this is the ticker symbol T and the dividend yield at the moment is 7.73% with a dividend growth of over 20 years. Now if you would like more information about the company and the shares, I'll link a video on top where you could go and have a look. Now the next company I'm buying more shares in this month is LTC REIT. Now this is in the real estate industry and they provide senior housing and skilled nursing properties. Now let's have a look at Seeking Alpha. You will see this is ticker symbol LTC. Now the dividend yield for this company is 6.77% with a 0 dividend growth for this company. The reason for that is they haven't lifted their dividends for the last few years, but they are still paying a dividend every single month. and at a rate of 6.77%. You can understand why they don't lift it at the moment. Now, if you would like more information about this company, I'll leave a link on top where I go into more detail about this company and the shares. Now, the next stock I bought more shares in this month is Altria Group. Now, this is in the tobacco industry, and they have a vision of finding a healthier option for consumers. Now, if we have a look at Seeking Alpha, you will see this is ticker symbol MO, with a dividend yield of 9.25%, with a dividend growth of 51 years. Now, if you would like more information about this company and the stocks, I'll link a video on top where I go into more details for you. Now, the next stocks I bought more shares in this month is Main Street Capital. Now, this is in the financial industry. Now, if we have a look at Seeking Alpha, you will see this is ticker symbol MAIN, with a dividend yield of 8.27%. According to Seeking Alpha, it's got a dividend growth of 1 year, but as far as I can tell, that is incorrect. Unfortunately, this is a problem with Seeking Alpha. The dividend growth isn't always correct. So the best is to do your due diligence and actually go and find out this information for you, because the dividends has been growing since 2009. So that actually gives you 11 years of dividend growth. Now, if you would like any more information about Main Street Capital, I'll link a video on top where I go into more detail about this company and the share. I just want to say thanks to Jake from the channel Devils in the Detail for sharing this dividend tracker with me, because I saw this on his YouTube channel, because this has really been great for giving me motivation on keeping on going on my dividend stocks. Because as you can see, you've got quite a few tabs that you can have a look at. Now, you can just use the free version, which you don't have to pay for, and you still can add all your stocks in here. So if we have a look, my total portfolio value is $1,520 US. Now, my dividend yield for my portfolio is 8.46%, and my annual income from today on the shares I've bought so far gives me $129 US per year. Now, from that, I still have to pay the US tax, which they automatically take 15% from every dividends that gets paid out. But I'm really happy for the amount of dividends I'll be receiving over the year, if you think I've only been investing for the last 3 months. Now, here you can see all my shares and all the information on each share. Now, I've got Johnson & Johnson's at 1 share. This is what it's priced at the moment. This is what I paid for my shares on my average cost. It's only 1, so that's what I paid for that one. Here it shows you the dividend yield, and then it also shows you what your annual income is for that specific stock. Now, if we have a look at LTC, you will see I have 6 shares. This is the price of LTC at the moment. Now, you will see my averaging cost I brought down to $35.48, a 7.01%, and my annual income at the moment on my 6 shares is £13. Now, you can have a look. All of it is in here. The only downside to this site for me is it only takes US stocks. I don't know about all the UK stocks. I haven't tried all of them. But the EFT that I've bought from Vanguard, unfortunately, I can't add into this. So that I still need to add on top of the $129 US I'm making per year. So that is an extra plus for me, because it means I'm making even more than what this is showing me. Now, something else I like about the free version is if you go to upcoming dividends, you will see here it shows you how much you should be receiving every single month. And this also helps you to plan what type of shares you need to buy more of. And if you need to find a new share, to have a look at which months they pay out. So as you can see, I need to concentrate more onto shares that pays out in February and March, so that I can have more of a consistent income every single month. So this is really great for planning and having a look, especially if you don't know where you need to invest and what you need to look for. This will help steer you in the right direction. So when you do look at shares, having a look at when they pay out, because there's no point in having £200 in 1 month and £2 in the others, especially if you want to have a steady income at a later stage, like when you retire, or if you just want a bonus every single month. So if we scroll down a bit more, you can see here what has been confirmed so far for the next couple of months. and what are still waiting. As you can see, for AT&T, I'll be receiving £4.16 for November, so that already gives me a nice big boost for next month. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. I leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any questions for me or any topic requests, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.